So my name is Dr. Josh Rittenhouse. I have been here at Blue Mountain Wellness for just over 1 year. My chiropractic journey started really young in life. My mother actually was the first person in our family to ever go to a chiropractor. She was having a really just bad back pain with my brother's pregnancy when she was pregnant with him. And that was 4 years before I was born. And she was able to really get excellent relief from doing the things that the chiropractor had given her, some stretches at home, treatments in the office, those types of things. And it totally alleviated her back pain, which was a huge blessing when she was dealing with a pregnancy already. So when I was a little boy, running around, getting into trouble with bumps and bruises and everything, she had me, I think at age 2, I started getting treatments as a patient at a chiropractic office. And then specifically, personally, I had an injury in soccer. This was when I was in middle school, and I had a really bad shoulder. A player rammed into me really bad. I was the goalkeeper, so I was already diving around all over the place. And it was an amazing transformation from the point when I was injured to really getting into a true treatment plan, seeing the doctor many times a week, rehabilitating, doing exercises, stretches, and I was able to be back on the field sooner than I ever imagined. So that really kind of sparked the interest in me of how can I bring that type of experience to other people and help them out.